doing?
I was looking at footage from like 6 years ago, and every time I come in with the camera, every single time you start with, "What are you doing?" I need to make a compilation.
Shocked.
So there's this thing called vlogging. I'm trying it out. It's where I put a camera in your face every day, and
I just don't. I don't know why I don't expect it.
I think it's just your
natural reaction.
Yeah. So what are you doing today?
I am trying to get the wiring done for our vanity lights.
Oh, are you having a Good Friday?
Good Friday, yes.
Are we gonna do?
It is. I didn't sleep from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Open them. We have a fun friend who sent us some lovely things.
Ooh, I got some oatmeal raisin cookies.
Ooh.
Which you're probably gonna steal.
Maybe. You guys ready for a sneaky peek? I don't know if this is gonna work because I just did it, but I measured a lot before I did this. So I'm trying out sizing for perfect templates for Starbucks lids. Whoa, my circle I think is a little small. Yep, my circle's a little small in the center. So, gotta redo that. The circle in the center needs to be a tiny bit bigger. So let's see how this ring fits. Because if I got all the other rings right, then all I'll have to do is the center one. But you guys will see a tutorial on this, obviously. Okay, putting this on. See, I like to get like the technique of putting things on, down, so that I can show you, and then sometimes it'll fail, and then I won't ever share the world. So you guys will get to see those too. So I gotta come up with like a good way to get this on here perfectly. It's gonna fit, I just don't know how to get it on there exact. The perks of why I'm going to all these levels, so you guys don't have to sit here and waste your own products, and I can, and then report back to you guys when it's perfect. You having a good Friday, buddy? You having a good Friday? Alright, while my rug's not in here, I started to pull out every project that I had in my unfinished projects out of those, and I'm going to try to finish them. And if they're not finished by the end of quarantine, I need to get rid of the stuff, because some of these things I've had over a year. Don't step on my paper! But I'm also planning out video series with them as well, so while I craft, I'm going to film some cool tutorials for you guys. And hopefully some of these things are like intended for tutorials, and then other things are intended because I just want them. And usually those get thrown to the back burner, and I end up doing stuff for tutorials. So I'm going to try to get beyond that and be able to get some of my personal crafting done too.
Hello.
How are we going?
Doing?
What?
Huh?
Oh, you're trying to play into that.
Just more of a mess.
It doesn't look any. Oh wait, there's a shiny tube.
A shiny tube?
That's exciting. That's different.
Where's the shiny tube?
Where is the shiny tube?
Yeah.
Where the shiny? Right there.
Oh, yeah, that's the fart fan tube.
I'm just trying to find the new things.
And that's the moisture control fan. And these are electrical boxes.
Those are new?
Yep. And now I gotta wire up the outlets for the LED lit mirrors.
Okay.
That we just did a change order on.
Have fun with that. We got our vanity though, so that's fun.
Did.
There's just some steps that need to happen before it can go in.
I just gotta move some electrical boxes.
Fun! You're the star of the vlog today.
I am?
Yeah.
Why aren't you?
Because I'm going to go make face masks, and it has to be a tutorial.
Are you 6 feet away? Oh my gosh, you're 5 feet from me!
Get away.
Uh-oh. We are not social distancing properly.
You asked for it, mister.
What did you say?
I said you asked for it.
Yeah.
I look like a 3-year-old today. Anyways, so I'm editing the vlog, and my family's being annoying, and I'm tired. But that's a part of life, and so I guess now. That's the part of vlogging that actually I don't like, is editing all the time. Right now it's Friday night. because it's gonna go up Monday. Dustin and Briley are gonna go sit in the spa. He wanted me to sit in the spa, but I am so over it. I am so tired. So last night, Dustin and I both woke up at 2 in the morning because the girls are camping out. The light is super bright in our eyes. Ding dongs, turn it off, and then you'll be able to fall asleep. But we can't turn the light off because the kids are sleeping outside, and we can't close the window because we need to hear if somebody's trying to murder them. And then I was like going through all these scenarios in my head, like you do at 2:30 in the morning, when your kids are sleeping outside. So, by the way, one of them is a teenager, and they were right outside of our window. But yeah, so we were both up for like a few hours in the middle of the night and couldn't sleep and just tossed and turned until I was super tired today. What does that have to do with anything? I don't know. But I'm editing the vlog, trying to figure out the best time of my life to do that now, which is any time, really, because we're quarantined. So I can do this whenever. But I had the earphones in. I was trying to like be nice to everybody and like tune them out, but then I could just hear my voice while I was editing and then their voices, and everybody's like on this like yell at each other, top of their lungs, interrogate each other because we've been quarantined for a year life, and it just got the best of me. So I was like, I need to vlog and talk about real life because that's what I'm telling myself in this video, is talk about real life. So anyways, it's Friday, it's Good Friday, and we didn't do our resurrection, our Stations of the Cross, so we're probably going to do that tomorrow. And then we need to plan Easter because all 4 of us have different plans. So I'm going to make the girls' baskets with you guys, hopefully, tomorrow. I got a few cute things for them. Teenager baskets. So, other than that, I think those 2 are in the spa. That one's up there by herself, separated them all. And I'm going to edit this vlog. And I'm tired, but I'm trying to stay up a little later so I don't stay up in the middle of the night. Because that was really bad. But my kids need to sleep in the house because I can't sleep when they're not in the house because mom brain, you know?